Hello, hello class. Here we are learning new words because we are also studying some countries in which they speak English, some English speaking countries like Canada, USA, UK, Australia, New Zealand, yeah, etc. So, since we are studying some countries, we want to know where are these countries, yeah? And so we have three new words. Three new words that start with C. The first word is continent, yeah? The second one is country, and the third one is city. C, continent, C, country, C, city. Three words that start with C. It's easy to remember. The continent is very big, yeah? Look at this box, very big. The country is not so big, but it's big. And the city is smaller than the country. Okay, so let's have a look. What is a continent? A continent is a big piece of land. Yeah, some continents are huge, and some other continents are not so big. Yeah, so imagine that this box is a continent. It's big. So if this box is a continent, a country is like medium boxes, yeah, and medium pieces of land that they are in the continent. So one continent can have many countries, a lot of them, or maybe if it's not so big, it can have few countries, yeah. But the continent is bigger than the countries, yeah. Inside the continent, a lot of countries, or not so much, but they are countries. Then we have the city. The city is not as big, yeah. It's a small piece of land, smaller than the country, smaller, yeah, and also smaller than the continent, of course. Remember, this box is a continent, so inside the continent we can find countries, and the cities are inside the country. Yeah, one country can have different cities, many cities, and not so many cities. It depends on the country, but in general there are many cities. Yeah, lots of cities. Okay, so let's have a look again of the continent. How many continents are there in the Earth, in planet Earth? Well, there are, let's count them. North America 1, South America 2, Europe 3, Africa 4, Asia 5, Australia 6, and Antarctic 7. In total, 7 continents. Yeah? Excellent. Look, there are some big continents like Asia. Wow, look at this. This is big, yeah? This is really big. And then there are some other continents that they are not so big, like Australia. Good. Okay. For example, this is a continent, yeah? American continent. Well, the whole thing together, but remember we have North American and South American, yeah? Split in two. So, these are the continents, yes? These are big pieces of land. And then inside the continent, we have the countries of the American continent. North America has Canada, UK, Mexico, yeah? And South America, for example, has Brazil, Argentina, Colombia, etc. Yeah? So, there's a big difference between the continent, North America, South America, and the countries. There are smaller pieces of land, yeah? There are many countries here. Look, every flag is a different country. Yeah? Good. And what about the cities? If these are the countries, imagine the cities. You have many cities in North America and in South America. Look, this is Canada. This is a country, yeah? And Ottawa is the capital city. Is a city inside Canada, yeah? And here is Vancouver, and the other side, another city, and Calgary, and Toronto, many cities. This is another country. This big country is USA, United States of America. The capital city is Washington. Yeah, here. But we have New York, Boston, Chicago. Yeah, oof, a lot of cities in USA. And then look under and the other part of the American continent, the South America, yeah, continent. We have many countries, yeah, Brazil, and inside the countries we have also the cities. For example, Sao Paulo, Rio de Janeiro, Salvador, Recife, they are in Brazil. Or Caracas is a city of the country Venezuela, and so on. Argentina is a country, and there are cities like Buenos Aires. Yeah? So, remember, continent, very big. Countries, okay, medium, yeah? 1, 2, 3. And then cities, lots of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oh, lots and lots and lots of cities. And they are smaller, yeah? Inside the countries, of course. Good. Now let's have a look at two other words that we need to know. The ocean, yeah, ocean is a big body of saline water, yeah, salty water. Can you drink the salty water from the oceans? Oh no, it's dangerous. It's full of salt. So, big body of saline water, ocean, yeah? And then, how many oceans do we have in planet Earth? These are the countries: North America, South America, Africa, Europe, remember, Asia, yeah? We have different oceans, you know, big body of salty water, saline water, between the continents. The biggest one is the Pacific Ocean. Here it is. All these, on all these is the Pacific Ocean. So it's really big, yeah? Really big. The second one is the Atlantic Ocean. This part in between Africa, Europe, and the Americans continents, North America and South America. Atlantic Ocean. All this area, yeah? All this area. And then we have the Indian Ocean, which is here, yeah? Between India, Australia, and Africa, yeah? All this area is the Indian Ocean. And then we have the Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean is the ocean here at the bottom. Remember, let's see the continents. Oh, here we are. The Antarctic. So the Southern Ocean is surrounding the Antarctic continent. Alrighty? Good. Let's go back. And finally, we have the Arctic Ocean. The smallest one is in the north. This area here on the north is the Arctic Ocean. It's very cold, of course. The Arctic Ocean. So 5 big oceans in the planet Earth. And then we have the seas. Yeah, sea. What is a sea? It's a big body of saline water too, but it's smaller, yeah, smaller than the oceans. So seas are smaller than the oceans. Okay, and there are many seas in the world. Look, there are some here, some of them here, yeah. Like for example, very important, Mediterranean Sea, here between Spain, Italy, Greece, Africa, yeah, and Turkey. This is a big sea and is very important. Okay, and you can see there are more seas around the continents. Yeah. Good. So, let's review some new words that we are learning meanwhile we are studying the countries. For example, country, yeah. Italy is a country too. Spain is a country. France is a country. UK is a country. Germany, yeah. Medium pieces of land, and they have their own language. In Italy they speak Italian. In Germany they speak German. In UK they speak English. So every country has different language and situation and culture. Sorry. A continent, ooh, it could be, well, we have two here, North America and South America. Continent is a big, big, big piece of land, bigger than the countries, remember? Bigger, yeah. Then we have the flag. Every country has a flag. This is the flag for Canada, yes. This is Canada's flag, a country. Every country has a flag. And then remember the ocean? The big, 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 big body of water, of saline water, with salt in it, yeah. And then we have the sea, a big body of water, but smaller than the oceans, yeah, smaller. Fauna. What is fauna? This word means the animals of one particular place, like the fauna of a country, the fauna of a continent, yeah, the fauna of a city, maybe, yeah, the animals that live in that place. And then we have monuments on landmarks. For example, very important landmarks of London are these two. Well, this new building behind, and this one is the Tower Bridge. The Tower Bridge and the Gherkin behind, yeah. It means monuments and landmarks. It could be buildings, it could be, places, nice places, not even landscapes, mountains, yeah, of a country or a city. Food, yeah, the typical food of a country or a city. For example, here in Spain, typical food, jamón serrano and tortilla, yeah, excellent food. And maybe typical food of USA, hamburgers and hot dogs and stuff like that, yeah, good. Map. Map means is a picture of the streets and places of a city or even a country. Look, this is a map of a city and we can see the streets, yeah, the gardens, the churches, the monuments to visit, yeah. When you visit a city, you need a map to look around and find the places that you need to visit, you want to visit. The culture. What is the culture of a country or the culture of a city? Well, it is the music, the theater, the writers, the painters, everything related to, the people of this area that is different from another area. Yeah? Good. So these all are the new words, the keywords for the new project. I hope it is clear for you, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.